Being a green veggie, it is easy to wrap your head around the fact that okra is all healthy. Here's what it offers. Keeps you full. Okra's dietary fiber helps you feel full for longer. Digestion. The fiber is the main factor here again. High fiber content is great for the digestive tract and keeps you going more regularly. This not only helps keep your weight down, but makes you healthier overall. Control cholesterol. The pectin in okra lowers LDL or bad cholesterol, which improves cardiac function. Cancer fighting. Packed with antioxidants, okra can provide much-needed support to cells in fighting off free radicals. Boosts the immune system. The healthy fiber in okra feeds much-needed good bacteria in our intestines, which builds our immunity against viruses and infection. Blood sugar. Okra's fiber content is also responsible for slowing down the rate of sugar absorption in the digestive tract. Prevent diabetes. Okra reduces blood sugar levels and could be an option for diabetes prevention. Good for eye health. Okra's nutrients like vitamin C and A have been linked to a reduction in the risk of cataracts and macular degeneration. Supports ulcer healing. Okra coats the digestive tract when consumed and helps speed the healing of peptic ulcers. Prevents gastritis. Bacteria infect the stomach lining and cause inflammation called gastritis. Okra juice contains anti-adhesive compounds that bind to the surface of free-floating bacteria in the gut. Prevents liver disease. Your liver is your body's prime detox organ. Okra can help ensure it is protected from disease. In one study, chemically induced liver disease in rats was efficiently counteracted by okra. Okra extracts reduce the effects of damaging free radicals that cause liver disease. Thanks for watching. If you find this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe.